Hey friends, we're going to jump into Module 4 today. Remember, Module 4 is about the continents and what makes our world fascinating. We've moved on to a new focusing question. What interesting natural features can people see in Africa and Antarctica? Remember, natural features from yesterday are special parts of nature on Earth, like mountains, rivers, forests, deserts. Today, our content-focused question is, what is happening in Africa and Antarctica? It's going to be a two-part lesson. The second part is going to be our craft writing lesson, and our content-focused question for that is, why is supporting an opinion important? And we can look again at our vocabulary. What are opinions? Just a reminder. Opinions are what you think or how you feel about a person or a thing. So let's head on over to our little reading area here. And I'm excited because I have a really fun song for us to start with today, a little warm-up song. It's to the tune of I'm a Little Teapot, and it's called the Penguin Song. Penguin Song. I'm a little penguin in the sea. I can swim as fast as can be. When I catch a fish, just look at me. I'm as proud as I can be. Isn't that a fun song, friends? We're going to be practicing that several times with this unit, and that'll lead us right into Antarctica, because that's where we found the rockhopper penguin yesterday. I'm going to take down my penguin song and get this chart out today, friends. Today we're going to jump into our Antarctica book, but we're going to use some text features today to help us as we explore in our text Antarctica. I'm going to turn right to page number 5, where we see the heading, People of Antarctica. And remember, friends, we use headings to help us find the main topic and key details of sections in books or sections in Antarctica in this case. And as a reminder, friends, headings tell you the topic, and it helps you know what that part of the book is about. So the main topic of the next few pages are people of Antarctica. And we're going to read along, and we're going to find out those key details about people of Antarctica. Let's read this page. Few people live in Antarctica. Most are scientists who come to study the continent. What are the key details? Only a little people live there, and most of them are scientists. Our main topic continues here of people in Antarctica. And it says, visitors also come to watch seals and other amazing animals. What's the key detail of the main topic, people in Antarctica? It's that visitors come, and they come to see animals in Antarctica. And the last page we're going to explore, friends, is this one. Adventurers ski in Antarctica. Some ski to the South Pole. It is one of the coldest places on Earth. What do the people of Antarctica do? Well, they go there to ski. So we learned, using the heading as our main topic of people of Antarctica, several different things about the people that go there. They're visitors, scientists, and skiers. So today, we're also going to explore Africa. And I'm going to turn in Africa to the table of contents. We're going to continue using headings to find the main topic and key details in Africa, but I wanted to start on the table of contents. And remember, they're used by informational texts, and it lists all the headings or section names in a text, and it makes finding information easier by telling people the page number. Now I want to go to the section Amazing Animals. So I'm going to look and find that heading. Oh, I found it right there. I'm going to use the table of contents, go over from the dots to page number 21. So I know, using the table of contents, I can go to page 21 and find the main topic of this section is amazing animals. So we're going to learn about amazing animals in Africa. Africa is famous for its wild animals. Gorillas live in the forest. So I now know that one of the key details is that gorillas live in Africa. Zebras, giraffes, and lions live in the savannah. So now I can add the key detail. Zebras, giraffes, and lions live in Africa, as well as gorillas, like we learned on the first page. And that was it for that section. So the main topic was amazing animals, and then we learned the key details or the animals that live there. All right, friends. So we used our headings and table of contents to understand a little bit more about Africa and Antarctica today. And we're going to move on to that second part of our lesson. And that was about our opinions, right? We learned opinions in opinion writing when we were learning about Europe and Asia. Now we're going to continue understanding opinions even more as we practice in our text about Antarctica and Africa. So I wrote an opinion for you. It says, I think the penguin is the best animal in Antarctica. One reason is that penguins are great swimmers. Penguins can also walk on ice. That's why penguins are the best. So that's an opinion statement that I wrote today. And I gave you some supporting details. Why is supporting an opinion important? Well, it helps people understand your thinking. So you knew exactly what I was thinking about penguins because I gave you some additional details. It gives more information or those additional details, like additional details I said, and explains reasons why. I gave reasons why I thought that the penguin is the most interesting animal or best animal in Antarctica. Well, friends, we're going to continue to learn about supporting our opinion, and we're going to use something called Oreo opinion writing to help us. Now remember, we used a hamburger when we learned about informational writing in module 3. So I'm also kind of using like an Oreo cookie sandwich in this one to learn about opinion writing. So you can remember the letters that help you spell Oreo to remember the different parts of our opinion writing. So the first part of an opinion writing or opinion paragraph is the opinion. It tells how you feel about the topic. Like I did here, I think that the penguin is the best animal in Antarctica. The second part gives you a reason. It gives reasons that supports your opinion. Reason starts with an R. And I wrote up here, one reason is that penguins are great swimmers. Then I gave an example. I give an example or details that support my opinion. I said that they are also, that they can walk on ice. That's something interesting about penguins, and that's why I think that they're the best. And then finally, our last O in Oreo is the opinion conclusion statement and tells how you feel about the topic again. So I restated, or my conclusion was, that's why penguins are the best. So we're going to continue practicing our opinion writing, and I hope that this Oreo sandwich helps you understand it a little bit more. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.